See?
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. Reed, calm down, man. You ain't messing around.
He coming. He coming. He coming, Miss O.T.? Man, a bucky doobie. Where's the daddy? We'll go see daddy. He coming? He coming? He coming? He coming. All right, Wacky Doo. Tell him he gonna come in. You better get ready. He coming. It's a Wacky Doo. Where's Roxy? Where's the Roxy girl? Gelly. It's time to eat? It's time to eat, Gelly? You're waiting for Daddy? Time to eat? Yeah. He coming. He coming. Get ready. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy, Teach? Yeah, he coming. Oh, it's O.T. Well, you get a pacifier. Let me see it. Where do you see it? Let me see. Yeah. You got it? All right. He coming. He gonna be coming. All right. Tell Mommy, where's Daddy? Everybody waiting for Daddy? Oh, there he is. I told you. I told you. I told you. He coming. I tell you. I told you. I'll go see him. I told you. I told you. What you got, Roxy? You got a toy for Daddy? Yeah? Lucky Doo. What? What's it doing?
Didn't know if you had enough parquet. Did you remember? Check.
Oh, you tell him. Tell him. Don't get too excited. Go, go, go.
Oh, ooh, you got the ball. You got the ball. Give me the shoe, girl. My shoe. My shoe. My shoe. Ready? Set. You got the knee.
So, what do you want? You hungry?
Now you got the zoom there.
You hungry?
Zoom. No, on the top.
This?
Yeah. Little WT.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. The other ones take pictures.
There we go. Teach, what you got? Baby T, what is that in your mouth? Your little pacifier. Liberty.